I'm just going to record the process because this is important for people to see this. All artists want to know how to, make corrections and additions. But like I said, to reduce that scalloping, just add some visual weight by thickening this line right above it. And I'll be here to help you out as you do it.
So I'm going to thicken this?
Yeah. So you're going to just slightly round it off. Okay, bring it up higher. Don't follow the exact line you had before, especially above the iris. You want to thicken that right there. Yeah.
Go right through there.
Yeah. Now look at your reference photo.
Hers just doesn't seem as thick as
And you see how that's getting it to look
it's
more
softening,
like the
yeah.
reference photo? Yeah, the closer you can get that photo to your painting, the better. I used to tape my reference photos up onto the canvas because then I would really be able to see what I was doing.
Yeah, that's probably not a bad idea. Then I want to define this from this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which is easy for me to do.
And you can do the same thing to her other eye. Add more visual weight to the top of that lid, that shadow underneath.
So I'm going to make it larger.
A little bit rounder, yep, because you kind of flatten both of them up a little too much.
I'm soft on the paint, aren't I?
Especially towards that middle part, raise up that line, get it thicker towards the middle. Not so much on that side, but
Okay.
right above that iris you want to add more. Yep. See the difference it's making?
I see the difference. It just should be darkened through here, or am I okay on that for right now?
It could go a little longer on that right side.
Out here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's kind of what I thought.
Yeah. There you go.
That softens it quite a bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome.